Hey folks, do you have a Chevy Cruze? Really? Do you have an oil leak? Really? Okay, so we got an oil leak on Chevy Cruze. We got this guy here leaking, this guy here leaking. As you can see, it's all wet down here. See if I can give you a better look. So all you're gonna do, you're gonna take 2 bolts out. It's actually an E10 bolt. That's what it looks like. It's kind of an outer Torx bit. Anyways, I already got them loosened up. Go ahead, pop those out. There's nothing that's gonna pop out at you, jump at you, or whatever. There's a clip right at the bottom. What you'll do is just take a little screwdriver and push down on it. Push down on the little gray clip there. See if I can get at it. Once you get that down, it should pop right out. Then you'll just pop this back, unplug, just like that. Pull your 2 bolts out.